Let the Honorable Michael finish first.
This way. Okay. Thank you, Speaker, for the opportunity. And I also want to rise up to support this very important motion by the Honorable Bundari pertaining the security that was a bit threatened yesterday in our county. Honorable Speaker, yes, indeed, yesterday was a sad day because, Kisii County is a very productive county, and people woke up knowing that they are going to do what it takes to build the economy. Only to be told that there is security threat in our county. Honorable Speaker, I want to start by saying that I condemn it with all the strength in my disability, for reasons being that we have not seen reasons as to why the GSU officers can surround the stadium. And if they want to say that they came to rest, what have they done that they were tired to come and rest? Secondly, can you rest at the entrance of His Excellency the Governor's office? What are you doing there? Honorable Speaker, we need these people. Yes, they are uniformed. They help us in bring about peace. But they must understand that they are more required in Baringo than they are required in the stadium, because we know that Baringo has security issues. If they need to rest anywhere, let them rest near Baringo, but not in the stadium. Honorable Speaker, Kenyans, whereby Kisii County is one of them, we went to the polls on the 9th of August 2022 and elected 6 elected positions: President, Governor, Senator, Women Rep, MP, and MCAs. Everybody must know what he or she was elected to do. The coverage must be well understood. If you are a president, you know what to do. A governor knows, and even MCAs knows. So don't do what is not meant for you. Do your coverage, and as we speak, His Excellency the Governor, Paul Simbarati, was elected by over 270,000 voters, meaning that people have got confidence in him, and he is there, he is in charge, and he is in control. Any efforts that you are going to scare the Excellency the Governor, we are telling you, there is nothing that is going to see the light of the day, and if there is an impeachment motion, bring it on, baby, we will tear it apart. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Honorable Amos, then Honorable Amos chair, but first Honorable Amos the other side.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.